Sadgurunath Maharaj ki Jai. We are learning the meaning of the verses of Shri Guru Gita based on Guru Gitartheshwari, written by Her Highness Mahayogi Swami Umananda Saraswati. As asserted by Gurudev, Shri Guru Gita Mahamantra is a self-study that enhances and fosters the art of living in the present age of darkness known as the Kali Yuga. Today we are learning verse number 49. Who are the unfortunate ones?
श्रीगुरो परमं रूपं विवेकचक्षुषोऽमृतं मन्दभाग्या न पश्यन्ति अन्धा सूर्योदयं यथा. The Guru's supreme form is pure nectar to the eye of discrimination. Just as a blind man cannot see the sunrise, likewise, an unfortunate one cannot perceive the Guru's glory. The eyes of the wise only can see the Guru's divine form. His glory is hidden from the eyes of the fools. Generally, the popular opinion about the Guru is not favorable. People can tolerate anything and everything, but if the word Guru is only mentioned, they at once show their displeasure on their face. They get irritated without any rhyme or reason. Why? This stanza tells us the reason for this. In practical life, people have to do so many things and tolerate so much against their wish. They have to believe in doctors and drink whatever doctors prescribe. They surrender to the barber and allow their head to be in his hand. While traveling, the passenger's life even depends on the drivers. But when the Guru is concerned, there are some, rather many, who cannot tolerate his name even. Why so? It is not very surprising. In a way, it is not. For can the blind one see the sunlight? Similarly, unless the power of discrimination is developed, the Guru's highest real nature, his power to do good to all, cannot be recognized by those who are spiritually blind, ignorant. In order to run our daily life smoothly, how much power the Guru possesses to remove all types of difficulties and troubles cannot be known and understood by anyone who has not yet got the power of discrimination to discriminate between the self and the non-self. Without this discrimination, even if one comes in contact with the Guru, he cannot come to know the Guru's divine nature. The Guru does not remain a mere personality and individuality, but through him, the Supreme God's grace is ceaselessly flowing over the world. The Guru is the Kalpavriksha, wish-fulfilling tree. Guru is Kamadhenu, the sacred cow that fulfills all the desires. And the Guru again is the Chintamani, a precious stone that removes anxiety and gives everybody whatever he wishes for. The devotee who is capable of receiving the Guru's grace has no difficulty in fulfilling his desires. But to obtain the Guru Kripa, the seeker must possess the two essential qualities of discrimination and dispassion. Sadgurunath Maharaj ki Jai.